Hey guys, welcome back to Daniel's Tech World here on YouTube. My name is Daniel Rosehill. So today I thought I'd do a quick video about a workflow that I've developed for taking the data that I want to put out to archive onto cold media, onto M-disks and Blu-ray storage off my NAS, and how I go about doing that. Now you might have wondered, could you just connect a Blu-ray writer in the USB port of your Synology? And the answer is no, it won't work. I tried it. Other people tried it. I guess it's just, there just isn't interest. It's too niche a use case. So what you can do instead is something like this. So in Control Panel, I'm going to create a folder called Blu-ray Archive, right? Sorry, Blu-ray Archive. And I'm going to say data to be archived onto M-disk and Blu-ray as my description. Now, next, something you can do, which would be an interesting approach. We've talked about various ways to secure data stored on optical media. I've shown how you guys can do password protection. I've shown how you can do secure data by creating encrypted vaults on a local machine, in this case Linux computer, and then putting those encrypted vaults onto the disks. Another option would actually be to do encryption on your NAS and then move over the encrypted files onto the optical media when burning. They have this new feature for Worm, which I think is quite funny, that they're trying to kind of re-engineer the classic optical media features are being brought into the world of NAS and presented as something quite new. Okay, so I'm going to call an encryption key test password, just for demo, right? And this is going to be the encrypted key for the folder. Now, finally, this is the step that I wanted to show. There is a quota option, and what I recommend doing is creating the quota for the size of your media. That way you can just keep moving stuff in, and when you hit the quota, you know you're ready to roll with another disk. So you have options in gigabytes, terabytes, and megabytes. So if you're doing CDs for whatever reason, go ahead and put in 650. If you're doing 25 gig Blu-rays, now I always get 23.3 usable space in when I'm burning them. So my recommendation would be to go for either 23.23. Oh, I can't do a decimal. So I would actually go 23 gigs if you're using 25 gig Blu-rays. If you're using 50, I would go whatever you get detected. If you're using 100, I would go again. And if you want to add a bit of VCC data and parity, of course, go less. But if you're just using the 25 gigabyte disks, 23 is enough. And then you're ready to go with your folder. So we're going to create the encrypted folder now. Now we have our Blu-ray archive folder there, and all you have to do is keep adding stuff that we want to put out to archive. And when you exceed the capacity, you're going to get a notification saying it's full up. Download this data to your local computer, burn it, and then you can delete it off the NAS, or you can of course keep it on the NAS as an additional backup. So it's sort of crude workaround, but it works as a workflow for me, and I thought I'd share it with you here on this channel. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.